Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Today, Preetham will demonstrate complete release strategy, which he has performed yesterday. Okay, Preetham, are you using headphone or how? Your voice is not that much great.
So,
Can you, sp- can you,
no,
sp- can you speak now?
yeah, wait, connect to it.
Yeah, please connect headphone.
Hello?
Yes, Preetham, able to hear you.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Yes, clear. Can you record from your end also?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm making you host. Okay, you start
Yeah,
sharing your screen.
okay.
And explain from the scratch like what and all things you have configured, how was
Okay,
it, okay, how you're able to manage the scenarios, everything. Okay, I'll be in mute.
okay. Hi, good morning, all. We are exploring today PR release procedure. As like yesterday, what person teaches us. First, we go to spare screen. It's a little bit slow today. Material management, purchasing. Purchase requisition. Here we have release procedure. We are doing for the item level only for today. We are going procedure with classification. Here what I've done is first we have to make it characteristics like what he has told, if there is a total value, some purchase organization, like purchase groups, and you can take a number of like 8 number of characteristics in SAP standards. Here I have maintained here. There are 4. Like these are all my characteristics: purchase organization and purchasing group and total value and document type. If you see here, purchase organization. See here, I have maintained the value also here in this tab only. As like there is a field name for EKORG is the field name for purchase organization, and table name is communication table name is CE bank. As like this, I have maintained 4. Sorry.
Yeah, okay, it's clear.
Like there are 4 number of characteristics. Like if you see here again, total value. Like here, if you want to give intervals, means you have to tick here, like 0 to 50,000 or 50,000 to lakh, like that. And for even for the multiple values, you have to click this radio button. Even same here also, I have maintained the values also here in this itself. If you maintain value here, Prasoon, it will populate in classification table like
Yes,
as
exactly.
well.
Yeah.
Here, see, like from 0 to 70,000, there is one value, and 70,000, 1 to 2 lakh I have maintained. If the greater than 2 lakh, it is some other strategy. As a, for my business scenario, I was thinking like that, and I kept like this one.
Yes, you here also you can maintain the
Yeah,
values and all, but and you can maintain the classification also.
classification, yes, correct, that's good. Here, I have maintained that there is a class one, sorry, this is my class, Pritam purchase class. Here it's as same like we have to assign the characteristics to the class.
Mhm.
What are all
You
I
can say
made?
grouping
Yes,
instead of assigning,
grouping.
grouping the, yeah.
Yeah, class will be the same.
Okay, next, move
Next,
further. Yeah.
move further. And after that, you're releasing group. Here we have to careful because this server so many guys are using. Okay, we have to take a release group like identical. If you take R1, Z1, before only the guys will have done, and the in table entry it will be populated or inconsistency may be there. Like they will create and they will delete. We can create delete also. Even I deleted two, so one or two, it will affect them, right? Like that, we have to create XR, ZR, something as identical names. That in that way, it won't affect for your release group. Here
Correct.
I
Yeah,
created
I
XR.
want to add here. So majorly, yeah, there are different setup aspirants who are working on server. So there will be multiple groups will be there. If you want to have a proper release strategy, then yeah, release group part is very important. So yesterday we had some inconsistency because of that only. Some other entry was there, so it was not updating the table level. Okay, yeah,
Correct.
go ahead. Yeah.
After that, release codes. Here, release code, I have chosen 5 release codes. One is associate purchase consultant, one is purchase consultant, one is manager, and 2 guys are CEO and CFO, just for reference for my purpose. And make even code here also, don't make R1, Z1, F1, 1 like that. Make seem like identical names for your reference. It will be better for my suggestion. As I have performed 2 to 3 2 to 3 release procedure before, I am maintaining R1, Z1. In that time, it was not getting the same error while what Prashun was getting, even I am getting the same error. After that, I thought we'll make these identical names. In that time, it worked well. After that release indicator, here we have to maintain. And Prashun, is there is a one tab you can see here after your changeability.
Yeah.
Uh,
So changeability is like when you change the like there are like different
correct.
options are there, right?
Yes.
So when you select fourth option,
Yes, correct.
changeable
This is the
new
way.
release in case of new release strategy or value change. See, you just
After,
imagine now release strategy is triggered and release is done by all the levels, right? Then if any changes happen on the PO, on
correct.
particular PO, again it will re-trigger that release strategy. That's it.
Yes, that's it. Here we have
Okay.
to make
Yeah.
it.
Good point, Rhythm. Yeah.
Yeah. After we are coming to final stage here, we have to make the strategy like for what is the business process, where it will hit in your PR. I have maintained there are 3 strategies here in my case. The one XR is my group, and I have to P1 is my strategy for 0 to 70,000. If you go here, these are the 2 guys has to be approved. Then only it will release. Associate purchase consultant and purchase consultant. Here, as like same, it is in. We have to take this one. This prerequisites here in release status. We have to maintain the release here. In classification, like as I told, even we use CL20N, right? T code for maintaining the classification.
Yes, that also can be used.
But
Yeah.
then, yeah, here if you go there means I have chosen 4 characteristics, right? This is populating. You can see here: purchase requisition document, total value item, purchasing group, and purchase organization. Here in purchasing requisition document, I have made 2 documents. Like these are my 2 documents, which is applicable only for these 2 documents. PR release strategy will hit if I choose on this one. If I choose NBR ZB, it won't take. And after that, value is 0 to 70,000 I have maintained, and purchasing group, there is several purchasing. I have taken only my one purchasing group, and purchase organization. In the same way, I have maintained 3 strategies, sorry, like 70,000 to 2 lakh and greater than 2 lakh. Same like even you have to classify here. If you select this one drop down, it will automatically show here. If you maintain the values in the characteristics, otherwise you can entry here also. If you not maintain the values there. After this all done, like we have to
Test it. Yeah.
test it. We'll go for ME52N. Sorry, 53N. I will show my here.
Strategies. Yeah. You just demonstrate whatever release you done. You have done.
This is my one item o-ring. I have a quantity of 20. It is same like I have to maintain what are all the my prerequisites, right? This is my purchase organization
Purchase group.
and
Yeah.
this is my
Purchase
purchasing
group and
sorry,
organization.
purchasing group. This is my purchase organization. And see, you can see here PRNB is my purchasing document. If the value is about here, see you can see here. This is 10 lakh. The release strategy
I think
is
it's 1 lakh. 1 lakh.
sorry 1 lakh, sorry. So 72 1 lakh. This is 3 plus 2 5 72 well, 70,000 to 5 lakh. I have maintained the third one like three guys has to be approved here. You can see here.
P2. Yeah. There are P1, P2, P3. Three release strategy you have maintained. The
P2
P2 is
strategy hit here.
correct. Yeah.
After that, same like we have to release in ME54N single release procedure. Like as like second item, even you can see here, I have maintained. See, it is above 2 lakh. Valuation is like 2 lakh 10,000.
Can you recreate? Can you test now with the all three release strategy to test? Like maybe in same purchase equation you can refer. Okay.
Yeah,
And
okay.
recreate it, and you just show demonstrate how exactly release strategy will trigger. Then you
Okay.
go to ME54 and then you release all that level,
Yeah,
then
sure,
go
sure, sure.
create PO for that particular purchase.
Yeah,
That you can demonstrate now, Pritham. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Save your layout, Pritham. Every time you
Sorry?
stuff,
Yeah,
save your layout once, okay, by adding all these fields. No, no, you have to put left, not right.
sorry.
Take your time, no hurry. Up, yeah. Control and yeah. No, left, yeah, that one, yeah. Second option, yeah. Now it will be in your displayed columns. Save as, and you just give your name. The layout is by you. See here, see. There are two options are there. Did you observe user specific and default? So when you go with, so now you choose layout, not like that. Okay, save as. Okay, click on that particular.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, user specific. Okay, now here you just maintain layout name as different.
Okay.
Z, you have to maintain Z Pritham.
Okay, something.
Okay, now you save it.
If I again come purchase acquisition, the same layout will be there.
Yes, you should. It should come because you have maintained as user specific. Whenever you log in with your user ID, when you come to ME51N, it should show the user specific one. Maybe some issue is there with the app. Okay,
Yeah.
user specific is not happening. Anyway, you just do it default with the some screen adding that all. So other users also will have that view. Okay, go with use default one only. Change layout, add that fields. Purchase requisition. I think you already added. You just check once.
It was not.
which is not there. Okay, so you just change it. And don't rush. Which what you're search, what field you're searching here?
Reference purchase organization.
Yeah, you just select both, put it to left. Okay, then any other field you're looking for?
No, this is enough.
That's it, right? Okay, then save as. Wait, save as. Okay, so default only. Okay, save it. No, wait, see, then once whenever you get pop-up, you should understand what pop-up is coming. Should not ignore. So standard layout must start with the special character slash, right? Okay,
Okay.
so just close that pop-up, click on OK, slash insta one, put that slash
Where you want to be?
in that layout default is there, right? One default.
Yeah.
One, no. Are you able to see layout?
Layout.
Yeah,
Here, yes.
yeah. Slash, you make slash default, or maybe forward slash, I think. Yeah, default, default. Okay, then now click on that. Okay, see now pop up. See, wait. Now go to choose layout. Same option only.
Okay,
It is
again.
coming there. Okay. So no, don't go for change always. You have to choose
Sorry.
layout. Okay, now see. Now our default is slash default. That is a default. Whenever you log in with this or any other user with this server, okay, they're able to see that purchase requisition and reference line item. It will come.
Okay.
It's now globally it is applied.
Okay.
If it is 10 or 20 users are there in the server, all will have this view. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then go ahead. Yeah.
I'm copying my old. Yeah.
Okay, your voice is breaking. Okay, Pritham is
Hello.
copying his
Yeah.
previous purchase requisition to recreate the data. You select the document type. You should tell like that, Pritham.
Yeah.
So I'm going to select the
I'm going
document
to
type.
select document type. After here, purchase requisition, reference purchase requisition. See, both items populated here, 1 and 2.
Yes.
See, now we will change the valuation here for the first material. How now it is 1 lakh, okay. It is in second strategy. I will make for first strategy like below 7,000. I will make this quantity as 7 because
70,000. Okay,
yeah,
less than.
less than 70,000. It is now you can see here release strategy. Less than 70,000, only 2%, two release codes has to be appear here. The first strategy, P1 has to trigger, correct?
Okay, clear. Yeah.
See,
Go for next.
yeah.
Yeah.
Here I will show for the second line item. See, now it is about 2 lakh. That's why it's chosen the third strategy, which is 5 release codes.
Yeah. Make
I
it
will
15
make,
number.
I will make this 50. Like lakh 50,000. For lakh 50,000, it is in between 70,000 and 2 lakh. It is triggering the second strategy, means 3 release code. In this way.
Now add third line item. Can you add third line item by copying second? Just select second line item. There is option next to that. Yeah, copy. Yeah, copy item. Okay, here you just change 20 plus 25. Yeah. So now see the third line item. Okay, so there are 5 levels are coming, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's good. All 3 level release strategy you have demonstrated in the single purchase requisition. That's
Yes.
good. Just save it and then show how you can release
Yeah.
by going through ME54N.
the release PR is created. Now we are going for ME54N to release PR.
/n.
Bit hurry, sorry.
No problem. Take your time. First time you're presenting, it's good only. Okay, next time you will be better. The same way others also should demonstrate, okay, each and every topic. This is not only for Preetham.
See here, the first line item.
Yeah.
Release strategy, click on release and wait for until tick. The release affected with release code PC. Means the PC is purchase consultant. It's done for the first line item. We'll do 2 line items release and we'll check how PO will trigger for the third one.
Yeah, that's a good demonstration. Yeah.
Yeah, the second will same way as maintained in the first one. We'll release. It's done from the manager also. We'll save the PR. We'll go for creating a PO with respect to this PR ME21N. I'm choosing the standard one here, NB. As per purchase requisition, my purchase requisition is new one is 2020.
So you have to enter purchase
Line item.
requisition with the line item number, both.
Yes, sorry. The first,
Manage to second also,
second,
third also.
third.
Okay, yeah. Now you put purchase organization.
Yeah. Purchase organization, it's my purchase. See, I have maintained the purchase organization. If you remember there, I have chosen the PG3 only. If you can choose several purchase organization also.
Purchase
like
group.
Purchase
Group,
group,
yeah.
sorry. Purchase group also. If you have any other purchase group means it won't trigger. Another, if you take this PG4.
That is only in the PR level, not in the PO level.
I have forgot to add that one. Yeah, it's okay.
I choose the vendor. Still it's showing.
Yeah, vendor. Maintain this.
No, you search from there only. Don't search. No, wait. Don't copy. I'll guide you how to select the vendor. Drop down. Okay. Enter your purchase organization number. Not this one. Another option you can select from the last icon. Okay, click on that. Purchasing, vendor by purchasing, next to class. Down. Yeah. Purchasing. Here you can enter PO 66. Okay. You can choose your vendors from this list now. Okay.
Yeah.
So you should learn like this only to copy
Okay.
from the SAP system itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And enter. Okay. Now 10, 20 will be good, right? 1, 2 will be good. Okay.
Yeah, see, check here. Purchase requisition item 3 is not released for ordering.
Correct.
We are not released at release, right?
Correct. So that will not allow to create purchase order with that. And
Now,
how you okay, stay here. How you say now you user entered all this data and he encountered this issue and he don't want to lose his data. He want to save it.
I just hold the PO.
Yeah, you
and
should
I
explain. You should explain this. Okay.
Make this hold, PO is hold.
Okay, hold the PO means with error. It will
With
generate
error,
one number. Yeah.
Yeah. So the one number will create, make note down or we will get the.
Okay, you can explain later how to get that number if you forget also. Okay.
Yeah.
Now go and release.
Again, we'll go for the release.
And also, in case you want to drop that material, you can drop also.
Okay.
You should explain both way.
Yeah.
No, there's a different
This
purchase
is
requisition.
purchase.
2220.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, this is the. We'll make this third one also release. Manager. CFO. See, all the guys are released right
Should
now.
have maintained associate engineer, purchase engineer like that instead
Yeah,
of
correct.
consultant. Okay, fine. That's
We are saving the release for the third line item also. Purchase acquisition change. Again, you go back. ME22N. Already PO was created, right? Here, just we are changing that PO. See, it's pop like we are using this is the PO.
no, this is a different POSI, right?
Different, yeah, third line
So
item.
now, how to find today's PO?
Okay, today's PO we want to make ME
2N.
ME2N.
Yeah. Go to ME2N.
ME2N. Enter your purchase organization.
And also you enter your plant if you know the plant number.
Plant is FR01.
Okay. And also you enter your document date. Document date will be down or document type is NB, right?
Yeah.
You put NB also. So how maximum if you put
Maximum,
selection,
yeah.
it'll get PG3, not P3.
Sorry.
Okay. Now come down, scroll down. There is a document date next to material group. Material group
Yes.
document. You just enter today's date. 25 to 25. Okay. Execute. Okay, this will give immediate result for you. Okay, with this with today's date, 25 date. You can see
Yeah.
there are like 3 line items are
Three
there.
line items there, yes,
Yeah,
correct.
just open that, click on that PO. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to
correct.
change mode. No, here only. That next, no, you can have one icon
Okay, this
next to
is
create. Yeah, that pencil with the spect, right?
yeah,
That is a
yes.
icon you can click and you can change. Okay.
Okay.
Now you just check it, this PO. Not selecting item, just check the PO. Now it should not give an error. It will disappear now.
Yes.
Okay, see everything is good. It's
Yeah.
all like warning.
It's a warning message. You
See
can
now, see one warning is there. An outline agreement exists for this material, right?
yes.
Means for this material you have already maintained
Yeah. I
outline.
was using this. Yes, correct.
Yeah. So can you demonstrate for that material where you maintain the outline agreement? Anyway, you just save it.
Okay.
Okay. So just explain to audience. Okay. For that material where you exactly maintain the outline agreement so that the system is giving an warning, and you can make it as a hard stop whenever you maintain any outline agreement for the material. You have to refer outline agreement only, then business will come up and say okay, you just make it hard stop, or
Okay.
else user will create without outline agreement. Okay.
Okay. PO is created. Outline agreement.
How to see that? Yeah, go to outline agreement and there you should check the report contract
Contract.
list display, I think. ME9 something is there for the display.
Yeah.
Can you try with the
Yeah, here by material.
ME3M, yeah.
ME3 on this. This is my material. Oh, sorry. I forgot again.
80050, I think.
Yes.
Check with your plant.
I will give the
Yeah.
description. So this is my
Yeah.
material.
Yeah.
See, these are all agreements. This is
Open and show it.
open. This is value WK.
PPWK.
PPWK. Here I have maintained the value
Correct. So because of that only system is showing
in
for this particular
the
material already outline agreement is open, like that warning. Okay, that's good. Okay, fine. And we are not going to explain more about this contract
yeah,
and all.
yeah.
Okay,
If you close this one, it will again close in the PO level as well. Correct?
exactly. Yeah, exactly. You have to raise one
One PO
quantity
quantity.
and just close it. Then you try creating one PO with that material and see whether that warning will come or not. It will not come.
Okay. Even
Okay.
we can configure, like as you told, error into sorry,
What?
warning, error into warning in message type. Correct?
Yeah, warning into error. You can do that.
Okay.
That day we have explored, right? So
Yes,
same way
yes. In
we have.
environment data, we'll go there. Yes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you all.
no problem.
Sorry
How
for
was your
this
experience?
one. It's
How is
good.
your
Like
experience?
yeah, like I tried 2 to 3 strategies. One first time it was not working. Same error like what we are getting. In the second time, the strategies are not populating correctly. And I thought we'll make a identical. Even I have a talk with Jeevan also.
Hmm.
Even Jeevan and I made like we tried, and that second thing strategies are not populating. Even the values are changing, groups are changing. We tried with I tried with like these scenarios, and I come up with this thing like we'll make it identical, and it's very smooth only. Like as you explained, we followed this. I followed the same thing, like
Hmm.
characteristics, class, release groups, codes, and all. It
Okay.
just went very smooth only.
Okay.
No.
So challenges is only based on the multiple people are
Yes.
working on same release strategies.
That's it.
So yeah. So how this group can uh, manage in this situation?
Like you guys like have to try twice or thrice. Like if you won't get also, don't worry. Like you'll get the every solution in SAP itself only. I think. Like I was also getting nervous or panic in the first time, and I used to directly contact the POCs, Nayanas, Jivan. Nowadays I was not doing those mistakes. Like I will think and I will analyze why it is coming and why where I will go again check from each, like where I have created first characteristics. I will check I have left anything like time interval, like value intervals. I have to make radio button on, like if the values are changing. I will check by each, like first stage to last stage. You have to check again. You go and you proceed the release procedure or any action. It will make you correct. Read
Uh,
the errors very easily and peacefully, like analyze the errors. That's it.
Yeah, that is consultant job, right? Okay. Good, great, Pritham. I appreciate
Thank you.
your
Thank
effort and
you.
really it's a nice session from you. So I think this is the first time you presented right
Yeah, this is the first
to
time. Sorry for
many people. No,
please
no,
send
it's
me.
very good. Just you can take from others feedback. You just
Yeah,
stop sharing.
yeah, okay.
So if anyone have any questions, they can ask. Okay. So how was it to all?
Hi, Prashant Navush here.
Hi Naushia, how was it?
It was awesome. Actually, I didn't, I mean, it, like, don't think that it was his first presentation. He
Correct,
did it
Yeah.
exactly.
very good. Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you, Nose.
Yeah.
Thank you,
And
man.
Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's better than me, everything. You did well.
Don't tell like this. Learning
Okay.
from you and making.
Just, just your voices, it was echoing, maybe for me only.
Yeah,
Sorry.
some are echoing because of some this mic setup or
Yeah, correct.
yeah.
I was in room and
But
it's
everything else is awesome.
okay. I will make it clear in the next session.
In future you can be the
In the future.
good
Yeah.
instructor. Okay, for many. Okay, because there are many people are looking for instructor, so
Like
that always we have
I
to
will
have
I
multiple
will
people.
think like what the aspirants will, as like as I am in my position, right? I will think like the other guy's position also, like what they are
Exactly,
thinking and all.
exactly,
Then get into the same pitch and same frequency.
correct. That is a major, right? Major part
Yes,
you have
correct.
to convey because our job is just to not just completing the subject or some
Yes,
topic.
subject
So we
or
have to give
anything.
that
Yeah, correct.
value to everyone. So at least they have to implement that thing, or they have to
Yeah,
adopt everything. It should be useful whenever they get into such kind of scenarios in real time. So they should not get panic and all. Okay, what? How I can do this all? So now after doing all this, right now you'll be very uh, confident enough to take up any project from the client side. If any release strategy business will come up with, okay, Pritham, can you explain all these things? This is our requirement. So you will be proudly, or maybe you will be more confident enough to handle that situation without having much hesitation at all. Okay, or
yes,
else you have to
correct.
go and check with your seniors and all. Okay, tell me this, help me
Yes.
this. No, not required at all. So this is the way we are just reaching, or we are trying to educate everyone with the proper, along with the business knowledge, not only like application wise. Just clicking on screen or icon, it will not help many people,
Yes.
right? So at least you should know why this to be done. Okay, without this strategy, how they will manage, why we have to go with multiple strategy, like as you maintain the release strategy, why it is required. Is that their value is only that much higher, or more than that they have anything like that? Okay, it depends on how they come up with the requirement. So you just
Correct.
map accordingly. You just keep all the things in Excel or
Yeah.
your own documentation, and then you are going to submit all that. Then only you start doing the configuration in the system. Then
Yeah.
there will be process like, okay, testing. So now you did configuration, you did testing, you have done, even you should do the negative testing also. Now, okay, anyway, we have running out of time. You have to do negative testing.
I share my things. Wait, what are I documented? Can I?
Yeah, you just document one best release strategy for the purchase request item level. Already we have released Lankesh
Yeah,
Kumar document. Lankesh Kumar
correct,
has
correct.
done all the things, but you can do your own customized
For
thing.
myself.
Yeah, you just refer that document and you do it in a better way. Okay,
Okay.
by each and every point you can add over there what you have configured and all in a neat and clean. Okay, we can publish it to all audience. Can they will make use of your input. Okay, so refer the template which we have. So that template you can use and you can document in stuff going with. Okay, you just take the
Okay.
screenshot from here and all, you can put it.
Myself, everyone has to make like what are the first they have to map before mapping in SAP. They have to like they have to write it down as like what you told. That it
Correct,
would be helpful.
correct,
Like which are the characteristics you want to yeah, convey. Like what is your class and what is your release group you are going to maintain and what are the reports
yeah, you'll
like
save time also, right?
and
Yeah, you'll
yes,
save
this is
time
the
also.
like PO save also. Yes, directly you can go and map it. Then don't need to think and anything right now.
Correct, correct. And even less time you can
That's it.
yeah, explore.
Yeah.
You will be in SAP screen and stuff. Others will be using and you will be blocking them. So better you put everything in a documentation quickly. What are all things you are going to do? Then
Yeah.
then you just quickly see 10 minutes job in SAP. If you are good with your analysis and requirement gathering part is very clear. Okay, all these are
Even
ready. Yeah,
yes.
definitely it's quickly you can do all that thing. Okay. And
Yeah,
also I want to
that,
add one point here.
okay.
So negative testing we have not done now. Negative testing in the sense you are just trying. Yesterday we had done negative testing by selecting some other document type, or maybe not adding any purchasing group and all. So how the system will behave
Okay.
without that purchasing group? You are choosing other purchasing group, then whether release strategy will come or not. That is called negative testing. Okay,
Okay.
even that part also you can include in the documentation.
Okay. Understood what you are
Cle-
saying.
Clear, right? Okay,
Yes.
so that will be very clear for the audience or who are looking at it, even if it is a fresher or a domain people who don't know anything about SAP. Okay, if they look into that documentation, then
Yeah.
they'll be very good. Okay, they'll understand something. So you
Yes.
see,
Correct.
what is our plan is like at least outsiders who should understand basic knowledge about SAP and all. So in-depth knowledge they can get it from any consultants outside. Okay, then they can do their own certification and all with their own, instead of
Yeah.
going out and doing something without having any basic ideas. Okay, that is our
Okay.
motto and agenda, to reach things to audience globally, and there they can refer our documentation or maybe videos or sessions which is there in YouTube. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm planning every week someone should demonstrate like this,